Artwork Fly.
Welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and today we'll be looking at comparison between my work and the artist's work. So now that you have done your critique, you are now going to compare your work with the artist's work. So picture this is the artist's work and this is your work. Alright? You're going to state the similarities and differences between each work. So let's say, for example, this is the one page that you have in your journal. The artist's work, your work, the date medium size, ensure to border, date medium size, and then you're gonna have the similarities and the differences, and you list them out 5. Alright, if there's more than that, it's fine. Okay, alright, so this would be the comparison. Easy. And then you move on to the second artist and you do the same thing that I explained. You would do the same. Now if you have any questions on that, on this section of the artist, you can comment down below and let me know, and you will compare again for the different expressive form. Next time I will be looking at personal artworks. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.